Okay, so when you open up a heart, when this is on your test, no matter which half you get, so even if you get this half or just this half, start with the apex, just boom, find the apex of the heart. So we know that the left ventricle goes down into the apex, so this is left ventricle. That makes this the right ventricle. And as I told you in your notes, this is a lot thinner than this. We know the right ventricle only goes to your lungs, and that's about that far. Left ventricle takes it to your body. Okay, next thing we're gonna do here. Okay, we're gonna find this valve right here. These are the chordae tendineae. These little guys right down here are the papillary muscles that hold the chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae are only found on AV valves, atrioventricular valves. So since this is the left ventricle, we know that this is the bicuspid. This is the right ventricle, so we know that this is the tricuspid right here. So what I could ask you on a test right here, I could say, name this chamber right here, this opening. Well, we know that this is the right ventricle, so that'd be the right atrium. I might ask this muscle right here, and you'd say, well, depending upon how I ask the question, you could say myocardium or you could say septum. I could ask, what types of vessels are these? And you would say coronary vessels or coronary arteries. Okay, so now, right here, leaving your left ventricle, coming out here, that is your aorta. So what I could ask, and I'll have like a little arrow coming up, and then I'll say, what is this? And you'll say aortic semilunar. So I don't know which half of the heart you're gonna get, which questions you're gonna get, but that's how it's gonna look.